Summer at Hersheypark looks a little different this year. We're partying like it's 1776 with good old-fashioned American fun all summer long. From patriotic live entertainment to star-spangled rides and attractions, here's our ultimate guide to experience the red, white, and blue fun only available this summer at Hersheypark. First up, your favorite Hershey characters are decked out in their patriotic best. Then, cool off from the heat at the Chevrolet Music Box Theater to enjoy a celebration of the American Songbook with our stage show, Sweet Land of Liberty. Journey through rock, pop, country, and soul music anthems that shaped American history. Check the Hersheypark app during your visit for character meet and greet availability and show times. Some of your favorite rides are decked out in red, white, and blue this summer. Take a scenic drive down the Twin Turnpike, Speedway, or Antique Style. Or step back into American history on the classic Carousel with horses painted just for the occasion. Fly like an eagle on Liberty Flyers. Then, experience a new kind of revolution on Star-Spangled Laugh Track. The laugh track you know and love with new patriotic lights and an electrifying rendition of the Stars and Stripes Forever that would make even Ben Franklin and his kite drop to the beat. Need to cool off from the summer heat? Don't forget that you can visit the boardwalk for free with your ticket for epic splashes and excellent water slides. And new this summer is the inlet and island at Bayside Pier with whimsical water spray features. Sip and savor delicious red, white, and blue treats this summer, from the iconic apple pie donuts to star-spangled king-size shakes, or should we say, presidential-size shakes. Stick around on select weekends for a spectacular fireworks display, and even some nighttime rides featuring patriotic colors on your favorite coasters and attractions. Our American celebration runs all summer long, so start planning your road trip now. What are you most excited to check out? Let us know in the comments below, and enjoy your stay at Hersheypark.